In this video, we will learn how to fix your disable ad account. In the screen, you can see the Facebook disable my ad account. If I come to this page, my account is restricted. If you come to my billing page, you can see ad account is disabled. And when you create a new business manager account and you cannot add a ad account from here and Facebook seen a message, your account is disabled. So how to fix this problem? You can see in the screen Facebook say confirm your identity and register you. If your Facebook ad account disabled or restricted, now you have to submit your own ID, your national identity or your passport or your driving license, any kind of identity. You can upload your Facebook and Facebook review this, and before upload your ID you check two things. One, your Facebook ID is real, that match with your identity, and another, your Facebook birthday date and your identity birthday date is same, and you make your profile as a real profile. So let's start. We fix this problem. So let's start. Appeal to Facebook to reviewing my restriction. So click request a review, and so I'm not a robot. To click here and verify. Now continue. Now I give my phone number and Facebook verifying me by sending a message. So click here send by SMS, and a SMS come to my phone. So I give the code in this box. My code is 253758. Now continue. Now you have to upload my national ID card. You can upload your driving license or passport or any kind of original ID. So I upload my Bangladeshi identity card. I'm from Bangladesh, so I give my national identity card, give here. So I upload the two part, front and back part, two part upload one page. So now I continue and uploading. So my identity is submitted. So Facebook asks me which violation I do. So I don't know why, I don't know which violation I do. So I just, so now my request is completing. Now you can see I again reload the page and Facebook say we received your request. So our request have been submitted. So now we have to wait 48 hours later. And I'm making a video after 40 hours later. You can see in the screen today is 23rd March. I'm waiting for. So today is 24th March, and one day later Facebook is removing my restriction. You can see, and look at the every page. You can see there is no restriction in my ad account, in my account overview, in my payment page. There is no restriction here. So you can fix your problem in this way, but your Facebook profile must be same with your identity card. So if you need any kind of help, you can contact with me. I working for many clients around the world to provide Facebook marketing services, digital marketing services, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Facebook Pixel, even conversion API. So please subscribe my channel and see you next video.